It's, hold on. Okay. All right. Of course. Here we go. All right, guys. We're back. Hold on. Let me make sure we actually are back. Give me a second. We are. Hello? Okay. Okay, we are. Okay, perfect. Got everything pulled up. How do I tilt this a little bit? Just a little bit. Oh God. Just a little bit. That's gonna have to, no, that's too much. That's too much. And that's not enough. And that's too much. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. I am getting my bearings set up. I've got a, because I feel very confident that, the cable management's terrible already. I've got multiple cables, too many cables, too much going on here. So, oh, well, that's not good. I just saw that they, oh, that's terrible. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do now, clear out some of these cables. I gotta shut this down, go to my other computer. Hello? Oh, shoot. Come on, man. There we go. I gotta shut this down. Out. Oops, shoot. I'm gonna, is this on? Oh, the RGB is on. Okay, so I'm gonna plug in my USB for the freaking Windows operating system. And I gotta figure out what freaking, what cords need to go where. I think unfortunately, I'm gonna have to move some of this stuff. Just out of the way. Oh, woo woo. And just kind of completely kind of redo everything for a second. Just for a second. Alright. Set that to the side. Oh, this too, I guess. Here, yeah, set that on there. And then, freak. Move this to, because I think I've got too many DisplayPort and HDMI cables set up. What I really need to get is one of those hubs that is both, I saw it today, but they're like 90 bucks. Where you can put all your DisplayPort and HDMIs on one hub so that you can just move it from computer to computer. I need one of those. But so far, I think I'm gonna have to remove this. This thing just won't stick to the, where'd my trash go? Oh. Oh, and then I gotta set up my Wi-Fi too. Shoot. I have an Ethernet cable. Oh, this is plugged into that computer. Okay. That's right, okay. Oh! Oh! Right. Oh! Okay. Hello, everyone. Alright, ow. I'm just gonna undo everything because that just seems logical right now. I also decided, instead of having my computer right under my desk, I figured to the side is gonna just work better, so that's where I got it. And two, I realized if I want to put freaking, cables in the back, it's a lot easier with it just kind of over here. I'll be honest with you. Save that over there. Move this over here for now. And make sure you guys can hear me. Yeah. Wait, can you? Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, you can definitely hear me. Alright, so let me turn that off. Okay. Alright, so back to what I was doing, because yeah, see I've got this here, and you know, this has been set up the same way since like February at the beginning of this year, so I definitely have had room to be able to change it if I need to. This is my power cord. Does this need to be plugged in here? Yeah, probably. Okay. And then this is what? What is this? A monitor cord. A monitor cord. Okay, so those will stay. Wait, but then what is this? So HDMI. Wait. HDMI. Is this? That's for this one. And that's for this one. Okay, so power cable. Wait. Power cable. I see. Power cable. HDMI port. Okay. So what's this? Power or HDMI? HDMI. Okay, so this needs to go over here. I'm fairly certain. I'll move this up. Oh. Oh no, I can't because that's not even. Okay. Shoot. Rotational plug. Okay, so I'm trying to think. If this goes. Well, does this have to plug into, where's the computer ones? These were, okay. So wait, how does that, oh, this has an HDMI and a display port plugged into it. So where's the display port? Oh. Okay, let's just unplug this completely. This is just my ring charger, so this can get moved for now. Okay. Alright, I think this is keyboard and mouse or something. But let's just unplug this entirely. Come on, dude, what are you doing? There we go. See? Here's my mini PC. It's freaking, does it say what it is? Well, this is what I was streaming off of and playing video games before. It's so light, it's so cute. I'm gonna think, what I think I'm gonna do is, I might take this and put this in my closet and make that into like a recording studio, I think, and then take this desk and this computer, put it in that closet, put some soundproofing stuff up and make that my recording studio. And I think I'm gonna get a bigger desk. It's like an L shape, so it's gonna be along this wall, and it's I think this depth still, so I'm gonna have just all 3 monitors, because I have 2 other monitors in that closet that I can put up, and then these 3 monitors will just be like my main stuff. But then when I do that too, I want to get a hub so I can just switch the monitors between computers instead of having all these extra cords. So that's the move. That's gonna be the move. But we've downloaded the Windows, so we don't need that anymore. Let me figure out what's my microphone and what's my freaking, okay, so this is my microphone. And then the camera is this one. Just trying not to move the camera too much, jiggle it or whatever, you know what I mean? Okay. Okay. Alright, then we got this HDMI in the middle. Okay, middle HDMI. Here's the power cord for that computer. And we got a display port and wait, where's this display port going? Oh, okay, so that's the display port for this one. Freak. I need to figure out which ones, because I use these computers also for my actual job. So I need to figure out which ones, just to make it easier, which ones are, or does it matter? No, doesn't matter. Let me see, hold on. Okay, see, because this is my work PC. This one uses 2 display ports, all display ports. Oh, okay. Okay. So, and this computer, I think, only uses 1 HDMI. So, so the HDMI from here can run to this computer. By the way, I don't know if I can really show it. Yeah, I can. You guys can kind of see it. Do you guys see how far off this just hanging off here? Okay, I just had to show y'all because I was like, dang, that's pretty bad. Okay, perfect. So, now, back to what I was saying. I think what we're gonna do, move this for now. Move my Taco Bell drink. Let me buy you a drink. See, the issue is I just have too many cords and it's throwing me off right now. So riddle me this. Can I use this? No. I'm trying to make it easy for freaking, okay, so here's the HDMI for this one. Where's this one coming from? Where's this HDMI? This HDMI can probably go, right? I feel like that's an extra HDMI. We just need the display port, I believe. This, no. Where is it? This one? Is this display port? This is display port, so yes, we will need that one. But this, we don't. This we don't need. Oh. This we won't need. So now I've got 2 HDMIs that I don't need. This HDMI will plug into here, and then what is this? That's this one, and And this display port needs to go over here and run it up through here. So this can go in here, one of these cord holders. Okay. Perfect. Oh, that'll be for my work computer. Now, so that's that one. Where's the, so is this the other display port then? Yes. For this computer, right. So yeah, this will go up here too. For now. Just so I can get it organized and figured out what's going on here. Why is this? Is this the power cord? Yeah, that's the power cord. I don't like how this is running here. This is gonna run through here. Plug this into here. What a freak. Here it is. Alright. This we can unplug. Old computer. Where did I just put that little computer? Oh, here it is. Ah. Alright. Okay. Then let's plug in the HDMI. Put over here into the graphics card. Perfect. Push that back a little. And then, yeah, like I said, I don't like how this is sitting underneath here. So let's try to tuck this back. And then, what's this one? Display port for this computer. So then, wait. Actually, shoot. Is there for real no HDMI ports? Dang, dude. Okay. Do I not have any DisplayPort cables? Extra display ports? DisplayPort! DisplayPort, yes, okay. But then the question is, do I have an extra DisplayPort on the monitors? I'm hoping so. We got a HDMI to DisplayPort. Woo! I'll take it. Oh, iPhone charger. Okay, mice. Don't need those. What do we got in here? I'm seeing some cordage. HDMI. I don't know what kind of cord that is. No. I'm gonna keep all my HDMIs together because I might be able to use one of the HDMIs with one of the freaking adapters. See? Adapter. That's a pretty small table to fit. I know, it's bad, but listen, you work with what you get. I'm gonna order one soon. The bigger desk that I want. Oh, that's all my cables. Okay. So, let me see something. Was this one? Which one? Which computer is this from? This one? Okay, no, we can keep this one. We can keep this one how it is. Yeah, we can keep that how it is. And then I think this one, shoot. This one can go up there, yes. And that'll solve my work computer needs. Period. I don't remember what I said, but period. So now I've got this HDMI hooked up to the graphics card. I just need to get these two hooked up with display ports. So one display port, and then I'll need to use an HDMI. Probably one of these longer ones, yeah. Because that's, well, with the extender though. And if it's right there, I'm gonna just use the longer one, yeah. Because I don't wanna, you know when you have too small of a cord and then you get there and you realize it's too small and you're like, freak. So I just brought the longer one. Alright. Blammy. So, HDMI. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Here's hoping that I have the extra ports. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, you know what would eat? If I got a wireless keyboard. But for now, I need to figure out where. Although, maybe I don't need, well, no, because it's easier for the keyboard. Let me just, okay, all right. Let me just put it in. Yeah. Because then this I can set over here. Hey, what the freak? What the freak, dude? There we go. There we go. Alright. Oh, Lord. There we go. Perfect. And now, let me do, this will probably be the one I'll use on this computer. Yeah, that's almost perfect. Perfect reach. Almost. Basically. Okay. And then where'd that just go? Here it is. Display port. No, are you joking me? Are you joking me? Oh, right! Yes. HDMI. Right. Oops. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright. Thank God. But now, I bet freak. What, is this a display port or an HDMI? Fuck. I'm either gonna need to get a display port cable. Hold on. Am I using my full brain power here? Because that's already a display port. So if I ran an HDMI, guys, riddle me this. If I hook up one of my monitors to the HDMI port in the motherboard instead of the graphics card, is that going to be a huge issue? Oh. Let me see. Yeah, display port. Because I didn't realize I only had one. But, get out. Yeah, switch out one of those. organize my drawers. So I'm gonna move this HDMI, right? Is this, yes, that's actually, this kind of works out. Hello? What is it getting stuck on? Okay. Trying to ball till I fall. Okay, all right. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hello? There we go. All right. All right, so we've got that. I don't like how this looks. I'm gonna have to do something there. Wait, yeah. Trying to ball till I fall. There we go. Okay, that's better. All right, now, perfect. HDMI. Okay, where are you? Okay. Hello? Hello? There we go. Ugh. All right, connected. Freak. But where's my other? Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay. All three things are connected. All three monitors. Trying to ball till I fall. Okay, plugged it in. All right. This is it, folks. That's for work. Okay, so I'm not gonna worry about those. I'm nervous because yesterday, last time I did this, it didn't go how I thought it would. Okay, all right. And a ball to the ball. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm gonna hook up my thing here. Oh, wait, and then, is one of these a USB-C or no? No, it's not, okay. No worries, no worries. Okay, where's that other one? Here it is for the camera. All right, is that normal? That is normal. Hooked up. Okay. All right. We're plugged in, we are locked in. Shoot, all that's left is to start it. I'm scared though. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. But it's got the Windows system now, so that's really all it should need. Why is the third monitor or the middle monitor not working? Wait, you guys can't even see it. Hold on. There you go. Why is is it? Oh, oh shoot. Hold on, I might have to restart it. Sandisk, yes. Boot drives, Sandisk. Sandisk. Hello? Hello? Girl. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Now, that monster's sleeping. Is it? That's the middle one? Wait, the middle one? Oh yeah, the middle one. Is plugged in with freaking, or no, that one's plugged in. Why is it not starting? Ma'am. Okay. Hold on, I might need to change something. Enter setup. Yeah, let's try that. Let's try that. Oh, it's doing this again, dang it. Come on. That should be what it needs. Yes. Girl, riddle me this. We're gonna figure this out. I swear. I got to. Damn it. Come on, man. Yeah, let's try it. Something must not be seated properly. damn it. Girl, this is a saga at this point. What could it be? Everything's running, everything's plugged in. I'm so confused. I'm about to take this to a computer place. Listen, it was supposed to be easy. It was supposed to be easy. Oh wait, let me go into... I did nothing. Okay. Let me Google this. Oh, so this one, yes. Girl. That's the right one. For that. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I didn't, hold on. Let me try something. Let me exit. Okay. Let me try Freak. Plug this one back in. Cancel. I was so confident too. What the freak? gonna have to install or set up down here. This is a lot cleaner than what I had before. I don't know how that happened. Okay. Let me in. Alright, I'm gonna start putting my stuff back. Okay, I kinda like this setup. Where do I wanna put this? Ooh. You know what I think? I think I need to move one of these cables. What the freak? Come on. There we go. Okay, it needs to go underneath the desk, I think. Okay, let me look at this file. No, yeah, so that was the right file. Yeah, I'll be. Let me just move this quick. This is just kind of bugging me. Perfect. Okay. This one can go over here too. Display port out. Yes. Display port. There we go. That's much better. That's much better. I still don't know why I can't get it to work. It just perplexes me. This is a much cleaner setup already, though. I'll say that. I'll say that. Okay, I can put this computer back. That's for work. Like, I'm sure, like, in my head at this point, something's just telling me something must not be seated right. For it to continuously not want to load up. That's what it's telling me. That's the vibe I'm getting. Okay. Can I put this anywhere? No. I need to move this. Where should I move it? put it? Freak! What in the world? Let's put it back over here. Okay, period. Okay, perfect. I got that moved. Oh my gosh, y'all hear my knee crack? Oh, shoot, I gotta do that today too. Okay, well shoot, I don't even feel half bad because I got to redo my setup. And it's much cleaner now. So suck on that. Alright guys, well I'm gonna brainstorm why this isn't working, and then I may be back